It's that time of year: turkey, mashed potatoes, and the warmth of family gatherings filling homes across the country. The air is crisp, the leaves have turned, and everywhere you look there's a sense of anticipation for the holiday season. But even as you pass the cranberry sauce, maybe you're tempted to sneak a peek at your portfolio, just to see how your investments are doing before the next slice of pie. With all the excitement, and maybe a little extra spending, you might start to wonder, is the stock market open for business during Thanksgiving? Can you make a trade while the rest of the country is focused on football and family? The idea of trading stocks while everyone else is passing the gravy might sound appealing, but the reality is a bit different. Here's the truth. Wall Street isn't open 24/7, and the stock market has its own set of rules when it comes to holidays. The market follows a strict schedule, and Thanksgiving is one of the most significant holidays on the financial calendar. It's a day when the hustle and bustle of trading comes to a halt. Traders, analysts, and everyone behind the scenes want time with their families too. After all, even the busiest financial minds need a break to recharge and enjoy the holiday spirit. Knowing the market's holiday hours isn't just trivia. It's essential for your strategy. If you're planning trades or managing investments, you need to know exactly when the market is open and closed. You can't just log in on Thanksgiving and expect to trade as usual. The market takes a pause, and so should you. If you're serious about your money, you need to plan ahead. Mark those holiday hours in your calendar, set reminders, and make sure your financial moves are timed just right. So, let's break down exactly what happens on Wall Street during Thanksgiving. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, understanding the market's holiday schedule can help you make smarter decisions. Ready? Let's dive in. Here's the answer you need. On Thanksgiving Day, November 27, 2025, the US stock market is completely closed. No opening bell, no trading, no after hours, nothing. Both the NYSE and NASDAQ shut down for the holiday. This is one of 9 official market holidays each year. If big news breaks on Wednesday night, you can't act until Friday. That means any overnight news gets priced in at Friday's open, often causing big moves. So, review your holdings and set your alerts before the holiday. Use Thanksgiving as a day to strategize, not to trade. The market will be back on Friday. Be ready for it. Don't get caught off guard. Black Friday, November 28, 2025. Wall Street is open, but the mood is different from any other trading day of the year. The city is quieter, the streets less crowded, and the energy on the trading floor is noticeably subdued. While shoppers across the country are lining up for deals, traders are preparing for a unique, shortened session. The stock market is only open for a half day, giving everyone less time to react to news, make trades, or adjust their portfolios. This condensed schedule means every minute counts, and there's little room for hesitation. Both the NYSE and NASDAQ open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, just like any regular day, but the pace is brisk from the start. There's a sense of urgency in the air as traders know the window to act is much smaller. Instead of the usual 4 p.m. close, the market's shut down early at 1 p.m. Eastern. That's 3 hours less to trade, so you need to act fast and stay alert. With fewer hours, trading volume is typically much lower than usual, and that can lead to sudden, sharp price swings. Even small trades can have a big impact, making the market more volatile and unpredictable. Many professional traders and big institutional players take the day off, leaving the market in the hands of smaller investors and automated trading systems. This absence of major players can make price movements even more erratic. If you want to make a move, do it early. Don't wait until the afternoon. The best opportunities often come right after the opening bell, when there's still some momentum and liquidity. Lower volume means prices can swing more on small trades, so even a modest order can move the market. This can be risky, but also presents unique opportunities for those who are prepared. Respect the schedule and plan accordingly. Mark your calendar, set reminders, and make sure you're ready to act when the time comes. Black Friday is about precision, not procrastination. Every second matters, and hesitation can mean missing out on key moves or getting caught in unexpected volatility. Know the hours, use them wisely, and remember that preparation is your best tool on a day like this. On Black Friday, time is money, especially on a short day. Make every moment count and trade with intention. Stocks aren't the only game in town. What about bonds? On Thanksgiving Day, the US bond market is also closed, no trading period. But on Black Friday, the bond market closes at 2:00 p.m. Eastern, 1 hour later than stocks. That extra hour can matter if you're trading both. The bond market follows its own rules, so don't mix up the schedules. If you're active in both markets, keep 2 clocks in mind. Thanksgiving, everything's closed. Black Friday, stocks close at 1, bonds at 2. Details like this make you a sharper investor. Don't let a missed hour cost you. Why does Wall Street close for Thanksgiving? It's about tradition and practicality. Thanksgiving is a major US holiday. Everyone deserves a break, even traders. The day after, trading volume drops as many pros take a long weekend. Low volume means bigger price swings and more volatility. That's why the market closes early to keep things orderly and efficient. It's a smart compromise. Trading happens, but on a tighter schedule. Remember, behind every trade are real people, not just numbers. The holiday schedule keeps the market, and its people, balanced. While Thanksgiving is a major milestone for the markets, it's not the only holiday that investors and traders need to keep on their radar. The next big event on the calendar is Christmas, a holiday that brings not just festive cheer, but also significant changes to the trading schedule. On December 25, 2025, both the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ will be completely closed for the day. No trading will take place, and the usually bustling trading floors will be silent, giving everyone a chance to enjoy the holiday with their loved ones. Any major news or global events that happen on Christmas Day won't be reflected in the markets until they reopen. This means that when trading resumes, there could be sudden price movements as investors react to any developments that occurred during the break. It's also important to note that Christmas Eve, December 24th, is a shortened trading day. Markets will close early, at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, giving traders and financial professionals a head start on their holiday celebrations. The reasoning behind this early close is simple. Trading volume tends to be much lower as people focus on family and festivities, so the market gives everyone a chance to wrap up their work and head home early. For investors, this is a crucial time to plan your end-of-year moves. Whether you're considering tax loss harvesting, rebalancing your portfolio, or making last-minute contributions, be sure to factor these holiday hours into your strategy. The last full week of trading in December will be interrupted by these closures, so it's wise to adjust your approach and avoid any surprises that could impact your investments or trading plans. Remember, the much-anticipated Santa Claus rally and your year-end tax planning all hinge on knowing exactly when the markets are open and closed. Missing these dates could mean missing out on key opportunities. So, mark your calendar now. December 24th is a half day, and December 25 is a full market holiday. Set reminders and plan ahead to make the most of the season. Don't let the holidays catch you off guard. Stay informed, stay prepared, and enjoy a smooth transition into the new year with your financial goals on track. So, what's your game plan? First, always plan ahead. Don't wait until the last minute to make trades. Use the days before holidays to review your portfolio and set your orders. On half days, act early. Your window is short. Watch out for low volume and volatility. Use limit orders to control your price. Use market downtime to review your long-term goals and research new opportunities. The market may be closed, but your strategy shouldn't be. Don't stress. A day off won't make or break your future. By knowing the holiday schedule, you're already ahead. Enjoy your holiday and come back ready to win. Booyah.